Hello, good day everyone. You're welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my face, seeing my videos, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are making banga and groundnut soup. That is what we are making. As you all can see in the beginning of the video, I have my African nutmeg. With the Beninese, we call it ikbosa. So I don't know if it has any other name. Okay, so it's called African nutmeg. So that is what I put in my fry pan and the groundnut. So I roasted everything together, and the next thing you are seeing here is my goat meat on the pot. I put a minced pepper, which is garlic, ginger, and the onions and pepper. Okay, that is what I use in the pepper mix, and I put all my spices in the goats. Okay, so the next thing here is a groundnut, and I've peeled the Africa nutmeg. So we are going to be blending everything together. So here is the African nutmeg. I added it in my blender, and here is my dried prawn. Okay, and I added my groundnut. So we are going to be blending everything together. Okay, so our groundnut is readynable. All right, so let's get to the next level. So here is our goat meat. Remember, in the beginning I didn't put any water in this goat meat. Okay, so now we are going to be adding our beef and our body together and some dried fish. Okay, so that is what we are doing, and the next thing we are going to be turning it and add water, covering it for the meat to be cooked. Sorry guys, it's not easy. Not vex for me. Okay, so the next thing here, guys, we are going to be blending our pepper, red bell pepper, onions, and atarado fresh pepper. Okay, so that is what we are doing here. So the next thing now, we are going to be pouring the blended pepper. We mixed everything together, and we cover the pot for the meat to be cooked. Okay, so we are back again, and here my people, una remember that my oil when I do few months ago, and I promise you guys that the banga, is not going to be waste. Sorry, so here is the banga. Okay, this is what we are going to be using to make our groundnut soup. So the next thing here now you are seeing is our banga spice. Okay, banga spice. I don't know. So that is what we are adding, and I added my bitter leaf, guys. So this bitter leaf is very, very bitter, so that is why I added it early, so for it to be cooked and it will be less bitter. So here is our groundnut, and we pour it in our soup. Okay, so guys, we come back to our soup again, and we are going to be adding our pomo and our fish. Here is our fish, and we'll be adding seasoning cube. I beg Maggie, seasoning cube, seasoning come. So guys, we added our salt again and our crayfish. So my people, if you know say you don't watch this video, share, you never follow, you never like, you never share, and you never leave your comments. Papa, mama, auntie, uncle, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, na help na sister, help your girl, help your mother. As you do, may God highly bless you. And to our returning followers, I say may God bless you all as soon as they support una guests. So let's continue with our video. So the next thing here, we are adding our spinach, although this is option. Okay, if you like, you can add it to your groundnut soup. If you don't, you can skip this. So we cover it for a few seconds, and our soup is almost readynable. Look at this, our groundnut soup with banga. The aroma alone in my kitchen is giving. So our banga and groundnut soup is readynable. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and see you all in my next video. Una bye for